Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya workshop. Here in these sessions of this workshop, we shall be concentrating upon the features beginning with the creator's space. This is an organization. This scripture, Panini Ashtadhayayi, is a scripture which is organized in creator's space, that is 4 space. Body is hypercube 4. Its deity is Brahma. And here we are entering the 5th element, transcendental domain, the origin of the creator's space, and being 5 space also as an origin. Body is hypercube 5, number is 5. And then being 5, it is 5th element, and being 5th element, it is Akash, and as such it is of TC value 8. Hypercube 5 is of 4 folds, 3, 4, 5 and 6 of summation value 18. Then formulation Shunya is 18, and 18 plus 8 is 26, and point as a line. Here is a Shunya, and this itself is a 1. Therefore, when we will have 3, 4, 5 and 6, these will be 3 Shunya, these will be 4, here will be 5 Shunya, here will be a 6 Shunya, and this total will be 18 Shunya. So there will be 18 infinite. Still further, as 1, it will lead us to 3, 4, 5 and 6 as 18 units. These will be the Spardi groups, and further 1 and 1 being a 3, a dimensional order. Therefore, we will be having 2, 2 and 2. These will be 2 multiplied by 2 by 2 is equal to 8. There will be again 26 Spardi groups. These 18 infinite and these 26 Spardics take us to 26 Devata. So these are the 26 domains which deserve to be chased, and the formulation of Riddhi, the first pada is Sutra 1.1.1 of Ashtadhayayi. This is the first pada, and this value is 28 and its dimension is 26. It is this phenomenon, it is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well to be parallel with the organization, format, knowledge and enlightenment of Panini Ashtadhayayi. To be at its Sthapatya, we have to make a proper mention in our Sthapatya, as that our beginning is with the creator's space first, then we have to be at its origin, number 2, then we have to be at the fifth element Akash, then fourth feature will be that the hypercube 5 is a fourfold, and these four folds are of summation value 18. The Shunyam is also value 18, and this Shunyam takes us to as Shunyam Akash. So Shunya Akash takes us to value 26. Then the next sixth stage is when we know point along a line formatted, or a static point and a moving point, or point as a point of a zero space, and one itself is having its point, so point of a line of a one space. Then from here we'll reach at feature 7. It will take us to these 18 Shunya, which will become 18 infinite series, because 1 is infinite points. Step ahead, when we will be at these singles with their pairing 1 into 1 is 3. So it is this which will give us a format 8 again, and Akash. This will be the 26 Spartic groups. With these features, we can simultaneously have a glimpse of this, the first formulation of Riddhi, and this formulation of Riddhi as domain takes us to 26 as a dimension. These 8 features deserve to be comprehended well. These formulations and their Sthapatya, particularly of Akash, Shunya, Shunya Akash, A18, 8 plus 18. It is Devata. It is Ek, and it is Prakriti. These formulations deserve to be entered in one's TCV dictionary. So TCV dictionary and Sthapatya referencer deserve to be updated. one shall sit comfortably and permit the mind to be sequentially parallel with the first step as the creator's space, four space, and four space has hypercube 4 as its body, and Brahma is the deity as the 2, 3, 4, 5 hypercube 4 gives summation value 14, and H14 in a second phase takes us to as many as 29 geometries of 14 space. A step ahead, we see that 29 is 14 plus 15, and 15 takes us to the 5 space as origin, and 5 space is a solid order space, and 15. So a step ahead, when we are at the fifth element, that is Akash of TC value 8. Step ahead, hypercube 5 is 4-fold 3, 4, 5, 6, and step ahead Shunyam as well is a TC value 18, 18 and 8, 26. Step ahead, when we're having Shunya Akash, then we are having a point along a line, and these features take us to the value 26, which is the TC value of a Devata. Vriddhi is 28 and its dimension is 26. It will be really a very, very blissful exercise to be parallel with these features. One shall sit comfortably, permit the mind to be parallel with these features, as it is in terms of these features that we are going to have a chase of the organization, knowledge and enlightenment of Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya, which is having first pada as Vriddhi and the last is A. It is this way that we will be sequentially parallel with it, and with the reverse orientation and then the neutralized state will take us to the knowledge. It is an organization, and here is going to be enlightenment. It is here where we have to be blissfully of our mental state is to be as it is. Step ahead, we have to see that we have to have awe as Sanvrit, and then it is to be availed as Vavrit. Vavrit means the open throat. It is a naturally state of throat. It is 13 and 60. It is 29. And these are the sutras and upsutras. Here is Brahma. But we want to reach at this state for applied values. It is 15 and 16. It is 31. It is Samapatti. It is the attainment. And we know 29 as dimension takes to 31 as domain. Therefore, it is this domain which is to be a functional. So within a creator's space, we are going to have a transcendental origin which is of a solid order. So it is this feature that we will be having Brahma as 29. This dimension will take us to 31, and 31 is the synthesis value of pair of linear order transcendence ranges. We also know that the formulation Ekadike formulation Vriddharadech is of TC value 47, while its gap bridging values take us to 78, and the difference is 31. This is chapter 1 of Gita, and here is chapter 18, the last chapter of Gita. The difference value is 31. One shall sit comfortably and permit the mind to be parallel with this phenomenon. Here is the last sutra, and then Vriddharadech, it is the first sutra. And the total we know are 3961. And also we know this together with 39. This together with 39 is going to be 4000. So this scripture is of this much enlightenment. Sadhakas fulfilled in the necessity of urge shall further know that 39 are the factors of numbers 1 to 21. Still further we know that this is the formulation Purva. It is the Sthapatya rod. So it is the 6-space domain. And from here, the transcendental content flows within the creator's space, which is playing the role of the origin of a 6-space. Sit comfortably, permit the mind to be parallel with it, and these should be entered in TCV dictionary as well as in one's Sthapatya referencer. With it, we will be understanding where is going to be our reach. This is the 10th, then this is 11th, here is 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and these features take us to 16th, and this is the phenomenon of 17th, and this reach, the phenomenon is 18. These 18 features